Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing Forex market cycles. All right, Forex market cycles. So the Forex market doesn't just move randomly, okay? It follows a cycle. Understanding these cycles can help you know when to enter, when to wait, and when to exit. So now you should understand that there are four main phases in a market cycle. All right, four main phases in a market cycle. First is accumulation. All right, this is when price moves sideways. Okay, when price moves sideways after a downtrend. Okay, remember that it has to be after a downtrend. All right, this is just for the purpose of indication. Okay, but the accumulation phase is usually after a downtrend. All right, I'm just trying to see if I can find a perfect example. Okay, I guess we're gonna work with this. All right, so like I said, the first is accumulation. Is when price moves sideways after a downtrend. The big players may be quietly buying while the market looks calm. Then next is the markup phase. All right, the markup phase. So this is when price starts trending upward, right? Price starts trending upward. More traders notice the move and join in, pushing price higher, okay? Then comes the distribution. All right, the distribution phase. Here, price starts to slow down. All right, price starts to slow down. And move sideways again. Okay, I think we're even going to use this. All right, so after price has gone up, then price begins to slow down, move sideways again. Large traders may begin selling their positions while the public is still buying, right? And then finally we have the markdown. Okay, so the markdown phase begins, and that is when the price starts trending downward as selling pressure increases. Okay, so selling pressure increases and then price starts to trend downward. Then the cycle repeats. So understanding where you are in this cycle can make a big difference. For example, buying during accumulation or early markup can be more favorable than buying at the end of a trend. Many traders struggle because they enter at the wrong phase, like buying during distribution or selling at the bottom, right? So the key takeaway is the market moves in phases. Learning to recognize them can help you align with the trend instead of going against it. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.